Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the music on the Hayday application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes, so just wait patiently. It's loading. So new, click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen. And here you can find the third option, the settings. Here you can find the first button, the music. Just click that and you can turn off. If you want to turn on, click that and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.